Manipur observes International Mother Language Day 2020. Experts stress on need to preserve and promote mother languages. Nizamiah Education Group invites applicants for Nizamiah Scholarship Test on April 19 to avail opportunity for free education in country's 120 renowned universities. And death toll from novel coronavirus reaches 2,236 in mainland China. India awaits clearance to evacuate about 100 Indian nationals from Wuhan. Good afternoon and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News and I'm Premi Thangjam, bringing you the top stories. Manipur joined the world in observing International Mother Language Day 2020 today. This year's theme is Languages Without Borders. People's United Youth Alliance Puya observed the day at the Art Science Hall of Manipur University in Kanchipur. Speaking at the event, Director of Directorate of Language Planning and Implementation, Dr. El Mahabir said there are around 6,800 languages in the world, but 97% of the world's population speak mainly 4 languages, stating that languages are forgotten at the rate of 1 language per 2 weeks as per experts. Dr. El Mahabir urged people of the state to preserve the state languages. He said International Mother Language is observed on various themes every year as a part of UNESCO's initiatives to preserve and promote mother languages. President of People's United Youth Alliance E. Prashanta, Musu President M. Bobby and cultural activist Ningthauja Lancha took part in the event. Impact News editor Rajang Thombam is the moderated a seminar titled Lol na Imani Iyek na Ipani on the occasion.
Malayamda layriba akhoi missing gi sada maudra taret kumbana ngangi balon se subnagi layriba lon lising taru kasanipan segi sada mari gumbagi lon khaktane ba akhoi na mayam ngang se aduna hojik akhoi na lol sing si tapna akhoi gi mangi ba mutki ba se sayol ani gi manung da lol am mangi ba ne ba se moina power rate sigi matungin sigumba yam na pibam so over tanja sida akhoi gi hojik lol gi thaksi akhoi gi the left ke haibabu akogi hujikanda de digitize to habtare net ki serving to bo kaido boda sin ba ya ba loan aduga madu sam phade tri the late lol sam phade akogi digitize to na akogi kanoda sinna se kudung cha ba akona sinna ri loan se
Sahitya Academy along with Manipur Literary Society also observed the day by holding All India Poetry Festival at the mini auditorium of Manipur Legislative Assembly Museum and Archives, All Assembly Road. Speaking at the event, renowned author Thangjam Ibopishak stressed on the need for youth to acknowledge the significance of one's mother tongue. Many people from across the country participated in the festival held in 3 sessions. A discussion on its poetry dying was also held on the occasion.
Mama lon nungsi bahai besisu miyam benadi kesu mama lon adu ada kai khalu ponte da uzik su barton da upel khia se dum yauri ba nam sorbon to birna ba kai se ada moi maitai ron nungsi radi maitai ron on thok pa ya moi maitai ron maram da kain khan ponte moi di hana leiramba du da dum mention bane ba nay as foreign nungdang ni thaban phaduri nei ha daudhau thaban phabai di kai noi nangi isa nupi am khak de english honors lawe ba Shumban lazy kainoisi khangdi ma. Shumban khangra boti potu khangra di potu ka konari ba maming no mangon dei mang ba hogre ba dum. Ai nong mahange waruka khangra. Waruka ai bu kainoi. Impan swai da lei ba ngang hing thongra ji pak khangdo mande. Pukri su am lei nadre pukri ler su siri challe ba. As masidi kapi he ka he. Mai kar masu si ngak sangang na kapi hari ne. Nai re he bangwa. Nai ba ji thai na su dum leirami adu hujik sinai sina nai re si ma si phajana pangthue hari ne. Khungkang dana lon ji khara mang da ma le na sum khalai sum khanja ba. Chor dana maitai ron gi vocabulary mang ba si sum henjal lak ma le kalle. Bureaucrat officer sing si su maitai ron kai se ke su moi nungsi ponte ba. Moi de paisa sa ba si dane. Maitai ron si akoy adu observation daw ni adu ka maitai ron bu kan se di akoy gi imung dagi akoy na honna ba tai.
Nizamiah Education Group is conducting Nizamiah Scholarship Test exclusively for Northeast states on April 19, providing opportunity to pursue free graduation and post-graduation in the country's 120 renowned universities. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, CEO of Nizamiah Education Group, Daina Kongkham, said top 500 successful students of the test will be provided free education on any course they choose. She said test result will be declared on May 5th. Daina also said free laptop each will be given to first 1,500 successful students of the test and free tablets to first 3,000 students. She said details about the examination may be availed from NEG branch office in Singtamechingama Meshnam Laikai and from NEG main office in Lakshmi Nagar, New Delhi.
North East ki oiba satra khatangi damangta conduct tawzaba exam ni exam sida makok tarakpa 500 students ta lemna moina tamningba course ama heta da akoina sigi prospectus sida tie up tawraga 120 universities lay 120 universities da moina tamningba course moina tamningba field da tamnabagi free da khongdo chaba 500 students ta pijari adugi matung taba 1500 students tana free the laptop yan thokchagani aduga matung taba 3000 students tana free the tablets.
A team of Ziribam District Police anti-drug cell seized 140 grams of heroin powder from a cruiser taxi near Zirighat High School last night at around 10. Sources said the contraband drugs were concealed inside 10 shop cases. Police has arrested driver of the vehicle identified as 33-year-old Abidur Rahman Lashkar, son of Nur Ahmad Lashkar from Ujan, Terapur in Kasar district, Assam. Ziribam District Police has registered a case against him and investigations are underway. Gangte Students Organization in a press release strongly condemned the removal of Gangte tribe from Mizoram's scheduled tribe list. The organization asserted that Gangte tribe, which is a part of the Kuki tribe, has its own social, cultural and ethnic identity. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the death toll from novel coronavirus. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break and you're watching Afternoon News. Death toll from COVID-19 has reached 2,236 with around 75,465 people infected with the virus across mainland China. South Korea confirmed 52 more cases of novel coronavirus today, taking its figure to 156 and making it the worst infected country outside China. Iran has also confirmed 3 new coronavirus cases following the deaths of 2 elderly men. Meanwhile, India is awaiting clearance from the Chinese side to send an aircraft to evacuate its nationals from novel coronavirus hit Wuhan and deliver a consignment of medical supplies to the neighboring country. External Affairs Ministry spokesman Ravish Kumar told media in New Delhi yesterday that the aircraft will evacuate about 100 Indians. He said medical supplies is a small way to express support to China as it continues to fight against novel coronavirus epidemic. Earlier, India's national carrier Air India evacuated over 640 Indians from Wuhan in 2 separate flights. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh today laid the foundation stone of Thal Sena Bhavan in Delhi cantonment. The new army headquarters will come up near the Manekshaw Centre and is spread over 39 acres. The multi-storied building will be able to accommodate around 6,000 personnel and will have all the offices of army in the complex. Around 7.5 lakh square meter of the area will be constructed to house the office complex and parking. It is likely to be constructed in 5 years. Speaking on the occasion, Rajnath Singh said Thal Sena Bhavan will represent the unsung heroes of the armed forces who have sacrificed their lives for the country. He said the newly created Chief of Defence Staff CDS office will also be there. The minister said the new building will also help in addressing vehicular air pollution. He said, due to valor and sacrifice of the armed forces personnel, India has emerged as a strong nation. A multi-faith prayer was also held during Bhumi Pujan for the building. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will share his thoughts with the people in the country and abroad in his Man Ki Baat program at 11 a.m. on February 23rd. It will be the 62nd episode of the monthly radio program. People can share opinions and feedback on Narendra Modi app and MyGov open forum or give a missed call on 1922 and follow the link received in SMS to directly give their suggestions. And in sports news, Mumbai City will face Chennai in FC in a match of the ongoing Indian Super League ISL 2019-2020 at Mumbai Football Arena tonight at 7:30. In yesterday's league match played at Guwahati's Indira Gandhi Athletic Stadium, Hyderabad FC beat Northeast United FC 5-1. For the winners, Liston Kolako scored 2 goals at 11th and 40th minute. Marcelinho Leite Pereira scored 2 goals at 13th and 88th minute, and Muhammad Yasser scored 1 goal at the 55th minute of the match. The lone goal of the losing team was scored by Andy Keogh at 35th minute. Before we conclude, let's take a look at headlines once again. Manipur observes International Mother Language Day 2020. Experts stress on the need to preserve and promote mother languages. Nizamiah Education Group invites applicants for Nizamiah scholarship test on April 19 to avail opportunity for free education in country's 120 renowned universities. And death toll from novel coronavirus reaches 2,236 in mainland China. India awaits clearance to evacuate about 100 Indian nationals from Wuhan.